Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to empty trash in Notion. To empty the trash in Notion, these are the steps that you need to take. First off, sign into Notion. So launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type notion.so and follow the necessary instructions and prompts to sign in. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Notion. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to empty trash in Notion. The first thing to do is to navigate to your Notion workspace, which we have here. In the left sidebar, there's a left navigation panel. Scroll down and click on the trash section. If you do not see the trash section, you may need to click on the three ellipses that appears, and this is going to expand the sidebar and reveal the trash. So right here, I scroll the way down and I have trash in here. Click on trash. Once you click on that, the trash will display all pages and items that have been deleted but are still recoverable. Now, there is no specific way to delete all items at once. Okay? You cannot delete all items at once, but you can delete each item individually. And how do you do that? Hover over each item, and right next to it, you're going to find the delete from trash icon right next to each page. So go ahead and click on delete from trash button, and now you have this confirmation window that opens. So confirm the action when prompted, and this will permanently delete the items in the trash. Now click on yes, delete this page, and that page will be deleted permanently. Go ahead and repeat the same process for each of the items stated here. Just go ahead and click on the bin icon and it's going to be permanently deleted. Click on the bin icon, confirm the action when prompted, and that's it. It's going to be completely deleted. So by following these steps, you can effectively empty the trash in Notion and free up space in your workspace. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.